Yeah, so welcome to today's lesson, and we are going to discuss the frameworks that we're going to use to style our front end before linking up to the back end. So you must ensure that your front end is well and clear, everything is well framed and well, it must be responsive. You must design in a way that it's pleasing, because that is the interface whereby your users or even the clients are going to interact with. So it must be everything cool. So now, if you're tired of using CSS, typing lots of codes about CSS, this is your place now. So subscribe and enjoy the paste. Alright, let's begin. So we got a field here, empty, everything's cool. So what do you think that a front-end framework is for? Just a pre-written code with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It's already encrypted and everything is alright with it. So you're just going to impage the link over there and everything works. Like for example, this one here, there is HTTPS CDN to the global CDN that, yeah, so it's already running. So you only use the link to connect with that CSS that it's already existing in either Twitter, in either any other platform. So now, instead of styling every button or form from scratch, we can use the framework like Bootstrap and Tailwind that gives us ready to use designs that are already designed and implemented. It's only just for you to link and visualize what is better. So here now, there is where you can get some of the links for Bootstrap. So like the Bootstrap web, this is it. So you can get the examples, docs, icons, blocks. So there are codes here. You can read, go through whatever stuffs that you want. This is it. There is this one, there is this, there are many. Alright, you can navigate that and go through it and interact with it and enjoy the base. Yeah, so now back to our code. That is it. So we can at least run this button. When we remove this one, the plain, let's remove this and visualize the way it's going to appear. So there is that, and this one here, also remove it. Then let's save. So let's run now. Let me, yeah, you can see now the way it appears. It's not styled, it's just plain like that. But we integrate now the concept of having now the bootstrap. Let me retrieve the lines that I deleted and save it again and go and refresh the browser. You can see now how perfect it is, but I haven't used any CSS to style anything. So let's say for example we're using CSS. How many lines of code are we going to type for these to appear like these? Various. So to simplify that, we use these. So as technology goes, we keep on omitting some of the tasks, some stuffs and tasks, some things. Alright, so apart from having the bootstrap, we also have other frameworks like Tailwind, the React, there is Vue, whatever place the way you want to pronounce it. Yeah, so you can still go and navigate through them, but in the coming video I'll create another video using either Tailwind, the CSS, or React.js or Vue.js. At least we also get to know about that. Tailwind CSS is a utility fast styling, and React.js builds dynamic web apps. The Vue.js, it's easy to learn, and also it's the base and some alternative to React. Yeah, so you can use it instead of using React or Vue, but I prefer React because it's more but in the next video I'm gonna drop that, don't you worry. Come on, let's dive into this first. So we got Bootstrap. So you can see the way everything's displayed and styled, but you didn't click and even writing the code for CSS to style all that, but you can see the way it's styled rather than the way it was initially. And that is the simplest way you can make the front-end frameworks make web development faster, cleaner, and more responsive. In future lessons, we'll explore how to connect this front-end with backend like Node.js and the Django frameworks now that make your backend standalone, and very powerful when you're connecting it to the front-end. So keep online, wait for the lessons, and also after all, you'll get to know linking the backend and creating the front end that is very perfect with your users and each and every stuff that you get. So get tuned. Before you go on, please subscribe, like and share and comment anymore. So go through also other commands line, the how to create the structure, because but now this for we are more of a perfect to go, because at least we already created simple website like portfolios and other stuffs, many things we created. So this was just to showcase how we can simplify and also modify some of our front end. There is the user interface, how users are going to visualize whatever you created. So there are many things that you can create or build with Bootstrap, like the personal portfolio website, the campaign landing pages, the login sign up forms. We got the dashboard, we got the online shop, we got a web app application or web app front end. Anything can work. Yeah, like for example, we got many things to create, but let me showcase a little bit. There is let me see on my cards. I got yeah, I got one. There is some yeah, this is it. So we got this. Yeah, so you can see the bootstrap, the way I've linked the CSS. There is a comment left down over there. There is a link for bootstrap. There is, you can see the way it is. Yeah, so that is how we link it before that. So now you can see these lines of codes, this moreover the company landing page, and also view some of the projects that a company have been working on. So let me run it and we visualize what is being displayed. So there is it already gone. So let's see now. Wow, that is cool. you know See, there is home, there is about, connecting. You can see the way it appears. Perfect. Let's see now about High Globe Inc. You can see the way it is founded by Amen. Yeah, that is pretty cool. Innovation, reliability, scalability, the way it appears, styled. Our services: software, app development, AI and data analytics, IT consultancy, digital transformation, cybersecurity, cloud integration. You can see, you can visualize how perfect it is. Wow, that is great. So if you wanna get to this point, subscribe and wait for upcoming stuffs. Got our services, we got the projects, got the team members, though there are no images for now. We got, yeah, what our clients are saying, the testimonials, what are they talking about, what are their comments, what comments are they leaving, I mean, sorry for that. So there is yeah, that is how perfect and cool it is. So get tuned. Bye bye. Remember to subscribe and share, comment you.